Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of September. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, well and good, and if it not resonate with you, skip it. Let's get started, Cancer. What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? What are the Cancer person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Cancer? And we are having here Four of Wands, Three of Pentacles, the World, Death. What are the Cancerians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Cancerians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? King of Pentacles, Six of Cups, the Moon, the Emperor. What are the mutual energies? Knight of Wands and the Lovers. These are your cards and sign that could be related to your person. Gemini with this Lovers card, Aries with this Emperor, Pisces with this Moon, Scorpio with this Death, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Six of Cups, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands, Four of Wands. Cancer with this Four of Wands. This person feel like home towards you. They can feel that how peaceful they were with you and how celebrating it was when they are with you. And but you put some kind of distance. They can feel that there is a distance between you and me now. They can feel that there is a distance between you and me now. And this person really want to work on these cracks, want to work on that, they crack this relationship, and these cracks become more, obvious within a time now, and they want to fill these blanks and these cracks, and they're working on it. They're trying to fix this their, mess. They totally get that they screwed up, and now they need to fix, and now they need to clean their own mess, try to fix this situation, trying to fix you. But you are changing now. I think you give this person some kind of ending, that the ending like ending. You are transforming into something else, something else. You are totally changed. They are getting the feel from you, Cancer. And in the result, this transformation, when you change, when you were changing, it's giving them ending. That ending is not pleasant for them. They're trying to fix this, they're trying to construct this, they're trying to being constructive here, they're trying to fill these blanks, these cracks. But when things, when in the in past, when you never give this clarity to you, so that's the reason you are transforming, you are changing, and there is a distance between you two. With this World card, this person can feel like that you are their comfort, you were their comfort, you are their comfort, and they want to be with you. You are the home for them, the comfort. But you made up your mind, and it's hard to change your mind now, and you're putting a lot of extra healthy boundaries around you, and it's hard to cross these boundaries. And these boundaries, the main resource of these boundaries, and you become more, stable on your ground, and you become more strong on your point of view, on your, perspective, because you are not, when you think about this person, you feel insecure, you feel some kind of deception, you don't get the clarity. This person is unable to give you, and unable to give you clarity in past. That time they need to give you clarity, but they can't give you that, and that's why you, when you think about this person, Cancer, you feel insecure. And plus, you are, you do have feelings for this person, you miss this person, the miss beautiful emotions and feelings, beautiful memories. You do have that kind of, feelings for, and that's feelings, that's missing feelings, making you more tough. You become more strict and tough, because you really don't want to this person to again give you the pain that you've been through, and this their deception and insecurities. You really don't want to feel that insecurities, and really don't want to been through with this again. So these missing feelings, and these affection, and these the exchange of love and affection. You can feel that you are missing it, and you become more strict, you become more tough, and it's hard to break into you, it's hard to step into you. You really don't want to feel these insecurities and deception and not so clear path. You really don't want to feel that. And this person is really excited towards you, want to get you, they are just traveling towards you with huge passion. And there is choices in front of you in upcoming days, Cancer. There is sometimes we feel like that destiny and divine imposing this person on you, but in actually in real, this is the time. You can't finish a thing, you can't end a thing uh, before its time. So everything is ended, but it's not the time. That's why you feel like that destiny and divine is imposing this person on you and make you to feel like that this person meant to in your life, meant to be in your life. This person is totally trying to get you, trying to with a lot of passion, they are traveling towards you. Let's see what else we have for you, Cancer. What else we have for Cancer? We are having here Four of Cups, Nine of Wands, and the Hermit. You are rejecting this person, they can feel that. You were rejecting, you are rejecting this person. You are stubborn here. No matter what they're trying to do, you are totally not getting. You really don't want to get it. So you really don't want to accept anything from this person, denying, rejecting. You are protecting your heart. Is that you are not letting this person to step in, walk into you, and then hurt you, and then go back and then again try to get you. This is not you going to let this person to play with this kind of games with you. You are protecting yourself from this pain this person gave you. So that's why the reason of your you being stubborn, because you are protecting yourself. And this person can feel that you are in some kind of self isolation. You turn your back from this person, you are not talking to this person, you really don't want to deal with this person, you are just spending more time with yourself with this Hermit card. You totally turn your back. Let's see what else we have for you. Wow, this card, Queen of Wands. What else we have for you, Cancer? Queen of Cups and Four of Wands again. This person, Cancer, really into you. They feel this urge, this temptation towards you. They are really admiring you right now. In upcoming days, they feel that desires towards you. And you also have some feelings for this person, but you are not opening up with this person. They never value your feelings and your affection and your love, and that's why you are not opening up with this person. You really don't want to love, give your love to this person. That's why you are totally reserve your emotions and feelings, and you're holding on your cup of love. Right now you are protecting yourself from getting hurt over and over, and you are being strict here. So you are just controlling your feelings and emotions and desires, and you are not talking about how you feel and what you got in you for them. But this person, really, you are really bold for them. You are a center of attention, you are just adorable, you are desirable for them. You are a most beautiful person with beautiful brain. They're really into you. And as I told you, this person feels some kind of comfort with you. They will totally get that in upcoming days. You are the home, you are the comfort, you are their destiny, you are their happy ending. With this Four of Wands, I don't think this person is going to give up on you like that without any fight. They're really, getting into, they want to get you. They are just feel the celebration when they are with you, when they think about you. You are the happiness and joy for them. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. You deserve the best. Reach for the star with your dreams and desires, and don't compromise. Wow. Your angel want to tell you you deserve stars. Just don't compromise. Let's see what advice messages work for your success, seek for truth, think about yourself and value yourself, walk on grass barefoot. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is this person feel a home towards you, comfort towards you. But there is a distance between you two. This person trying to fix the situation, trying to fill these blanks, but there is an ending. You giving this person ending, and you are transforming in something else. You become more strict because you really don't feel this, really don't want to feel these insecurities. You know that you have feelings for this person and you are missing this person, and you become more strict. The more you miss this person, you become more strict. And because you are not letting this person to hurt you again, you're protecting yourself and you are totally reserving your affection and your feelings. This person find you attractive, in temptation. You are the center of attention for them and they feel home towards you. These are some, these are few readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.